Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to this brand new video for the channel. This is a very important video whether you're a newbie trader, you're an experienced trader, and you're looking forward to fully understand what is support and resistance. This is exactly what I'm going to show you in this specific tutorial. And I want to be as clear as possible in order for you to actually get the best idea as to how to use support and resistance to trade. With this strategy, you don't need any extra indicators. All you need is 2 or 3 horizontal lines, and that is it. So this is one of the most powerful indicators and most powerful strategies, not only in binary options and Forex, but also in the stock market and the crypto market as well. Are you ready? If you're new into my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. I do a lot of software reviews, broker reviews, and just like this one, I give you tips and strategies as to how to make money with online trading. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change to Euro USD, which is my favorite pair, and go to tradingview.com. Go to tradingview.com and just go into the link that says charts, and you will be able to see this. And this is the first thing we're going to do. Change it to Euro USD if you want to. And in order for me to actually identify strong support and resistance points, I always go for 4 hours. 4-hour candles. Why? Because that way I can really identify whether it is a support and or resistance, or it's simply a point where everything returned. Let me be a little bit more clear on that. Right now, I'm actually moving this horizontal line on this point right here. So if you see in this area, okay, and just to be clear, the highest point is a resistance when it starts dropping, and the lowest point when it starts jumping, it's a support. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go in here, and here I see a good support. There you go. Here's a support. What we're gonna do in here is that we're gonna look for a different one, because this is like way too open, but it can work. As a matter of fact, it works also not only for 15 and 30-minute trades, but also for weekly and monthly trades. That's why this strategy is good also for stock trading. So it's amazing. It's just amazing. This strategy is the best one in the world. Right now, I'm actually getting the lines that I had drawn already. There you go. Here we have another one. And what you got to make sure is that the support has been, or the support or resistance has been respected 3 times or more. For example, the resistance line in here, it was respected right here, then here, and then here. This one was respected here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here. It was broken twice in here, but then it got respected again and again. And right now is actually, it broke the resistance right now. So we move to the next one. Right now that we have 2 or 3 lines drawn in regards to 4-hour trades, we can go and change it to 2-hour trades. Why? The 2-hour trades, what it's going to do, the 2-hour candles, what it's going to do is that it's going to give a second confirmation that that support or resistance is being respected. So for example, in here, it was respected even in 2 hours, right? Very good. In this one right here, it was respected twice, 3 times in here. This one was broken, this one was broken, it was broken. So to me, this one lost its value. It wasn't respected that much. So we're just gonna move in and away from here. And we're gonna focus on to see these two. Let's focus on these two. One thing that you can do as well is go on a day support and resistance. That way, if you notice, there are 3 lines in here, and we might be able to find another support and resistance here, but it's too tight. Now, we're just gonna stay away from this. There you go. This is a daily candlestick, right? So we're not gonna trade with it, but there you go. Now we go to 2 hours again, and we see that the third line that we draw is actually at the bottom. So yeah, kind of hard, right? And then now we go to an hourly basis, and we start to see how the market is actually moving inside of the support and resistance. Now we know the highest point and the lowest point of that specific pair. So for example, right here, I'm pretty sure this one is actually going to start jumping again in order to respect this support line. Right now that we have 1 hour, depending on what time you're actually trading, I mean, if you're trading with 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you definitely should change to your actual trading times. If you notice right here, what I would do is just trust in these 2 lines, this one and not this one, and the one on the top, these 2. Even though if you notice, there's a bunch of movements in here, right? So it's very, very little opportunities for us to actually enter. So what do? We move to another pair. Let's go to a different pair, AUD, USD. Right now, I just want to point out that in 15 minutes, there are going to be 3 bull news. So you're probably going to see some crazy movements. So we start again, 4-hour trades. This one looks way easier. So we draw a horizontal line in here, and this is the resistance line. We draw another one in here. This is the lowest support line. And I would say there's another one in this area. Well, it's kind of weird. We're just gonna leave it there. All right, this is for 4-hour candle. Then we move to 2 hours. And we see that it's kind of being respected. We can drop it up a little bit in here. There you go. Now it's perfect. So if you go to 4 hours again, it is being in the area, right? So we go back to 2 hours and looks good. It's bouncing around. If we go to 1 hour candles, everything is being respected. Only this one is dropping too much. So we lower up a little bit, and we're still confirming 4 hours that it's still in the line. See, if you notice, it is the lowest point that it actually touched. So we go back to 1 hour, and looks like we have opportunities here, here, and here. Now, taking consideration that these are going to be trades are going to be way deep in the money. Take a look at the difference in pips in here. You enter in this point at 271, and it got all the way to 886. That's pretty high, right? That's like 400 pips. That's a lot of money. Now, here you can change it to 30 minutes or to 15 minutes, depending. Now you know that the 2 points of reference that you're gonna have are gonna be the highest point and the lowest point. That's it. You might be saying, hey, Chris, but this is not going to give me signals every 30 minutes. Does that even work? Yes, it does work. And let me explain you why. Let me go back to 4-hour trades. And what we're gonna do is that we're going to look for the same support line being touched more than once. This one right here, I'm just gonna draw a pretty high line. And this one in here, I'm going to do the exact same thing. There you go. So if we go right here, we're gonna look that this support line has given money to people that traded here and that traded here, that traded all here, and that traded, this one was broken. Let's follow the same support and resistance. Hold on. Now this became a support. You see, he touched and it started jumping. Then it dropped. It became a resistance line again. it became a resistance line again, and it's right here. So basically what we do with this strategy, and it might sound too complicated and you might be like, no, this is too complicated. Yes, it is a complicated strategy. It's not 100% in the money strategy, yet it's a strategy that if you follow it the way you're supposed to, you're gonna find huge opportunities to trade during the month. It's not during the day. These are lines that you should draw at the beginning of the month. Identify what's the lowest and the highest point that last month was actually bouncing around, and just wait for the actual pair to touch on those areas within this new month. In there, you're gonna have a massive opportunity to make money. I hope this really makes sense to you. I try to teach it the complicated way because I want you to understand the hard way. I want you to actually have this clear, and I want you to actually know how to use it properly. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you guys have any questions, make sure you actually put it in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you found value on it, and for more content just like this one, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.